The next feature we're going to take a look at here deals with the overall formatting of the Excel workbook we're working in. Now, as we've been going through and creating tables and shapes and charts, we've been using a default theme, or essentially formatting within the document. Now, when the 2003 version, or 2007, earlier on, the Office suite, Microsoft introduced this concept of themes. And themes deal with the overall formatting. Now, what we can do is now change the theme and have it update your entire content. Take a look. So like I said, I chose blue. I've dealt with the default colors for my charts. This is true on my expense tracker as well. Default, I picked the colors. So now I decide I want to change it. Maybe blue is no longer my thing. I want green or orange or purple or whatever. So I'm going to go up to my page layout tab, and the first section on there we have themes. If I go to the little drop down of themes, you've got loads of options to pick from. If I just hover over them, you'll see them change the look and feel of my content, all by just editing or changing the theme. Loads of options to pick from. You pick your favorite colors. I still like the blue one. Maybe I'll end up sticking with that one. Green looks pretty cool. I like that one. Yeah. But you find one that fits. Ooh, I actually like that one. I'm going to go with that one. What was that one? Droplet. Let's grab that one. I'm going to grab Droplet. But you pick it. You get to decide. And it changes everything within the workbook. If I go to my expense tracker, we've updated that content. Yeah, we've updated that content as well. It'll look the same. I like that blue color. All right. So the themes, page layout, themes, and you got loads of options. Now, I do want to point something out here. If you find that some area of your document actually didn't change, when you apply formatting, let's say to the background or to the font, as long as you stick within these theme colors, those will update based on the theme you choose. But if you pick from a standard color, those are standard. Those will not change no matter what theme you switch to. These are the standard colors that come in every copy of Microsoft Excel since I can remember. So stick with the themes. That way you can update on the fly, get new colors. Maybe do a different color for every month. I don't know. Could be cool. Try it out though. Go to your page layout tab and try changing your theme.